the first team Toyota for allowing me to review the 2020 Toyota Avalon.
Today we're reviewing the 2020 Toyota Avalon. This particular model wrapped in a windshield pearl. For the length 195 inches, height 56 inches. You have a wheelbase of 113 inches with a ground clearance of 5.3 inches. Right here we're looking at a 3.5 liter V6 engine pushing out 301 at 6,000 RPM. For the torque, 267 at 4,000 RPM. For the 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds. For the MPG highway, 31, city, 22. Here's the sound of it. You have blind spot detection on the side view mirror. What do the TRD stand for? Oh yeah, Toyota Racing Development. Right here we are looking at a 19-inch matte black alloyed wheel. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We are greeted with black leather seats with red stitching. You have sports pedals to give that sporty feel. Right here we're looking at an analog digital display. On the left you have your engine temp, on the right you have your gas gauge. In the middle you have a colorful digital display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel where you can go through your audio, system status, your forward collision, and all that other good stuff. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control setting with your plus and minus paddle shifters. The buttons right here have your automatic high beams with your traction control alongside your gas and trunk release. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we're looking at an 8-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. With your traditional radio shortcuts on the side of the infotainment center. Now we're bringing it down to your dual climate control with your heated seats. In the cubby area, you have your 12-volt outlet. You have your wireless charging pad. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is an 8-speed automatic transmission. Behind the shift knob, you have your Eco, Normal, and Sport mode with your electronic parking. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. You have your 3 USBs with your 12-volt outlet. Now we have made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control alongside your SOS safety connect. You have your glove box. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats with red stitching. Right here is your JBL's premium audio system. On the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. You have your air vent with your 2 USB outlets. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. In the clip as shown, I am 5'11" with little leg room. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring that 16 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty deep.
Once again, huge shout out to First Team Toyota for allowing me to review the 2020 Toyota Avalon. If you need any information about First Team Toyota, I'll leave a link in the description below. Always good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.